So good morning all the coders. Today we welcome to Leet Logic. Today we'll be going to discuss the daily LeetCode challenge problem. Today's LeetCode challenge problem is 799, that is Champagne Tower. So let me give you a brief about the problem. What we have is that we have a pyramid of champagne glasses where each glass can hold exactly 1 cup of champagne. Now the champagne is poured from the top glass, and if it overflows, the excess liquid falls equally into the two glasses below it. Two or the number of glasses below it. So it falls just below it. So what we have to do is that we have to need to find the how full a specific glass is after pouring a certain amount of champagne from the top. So we have to calculate the amount of liquid in the particular cup when some X amount of liquid is poured from the top glass. So our approach is to be simulating the entire flow or the pyramid by using a 2D DP. Uh, let's come to the approach. I'll show you. So this is my solution for the problem. So let me explain the solution one step by step. So the first step is that if k is equal to 0, it returns 0. That means if no liquid is poured in the top glass, then all the glasses will remain empty. Thus we'll simply return 0. The next step is that we'll create a 2D DP that will store the amount of liquid in each glass in the such that, like, we have a DP, so DP of I or comma j will have the amount of liquid in the ith row and the jth glass. Now we have to initialize the DP of 0 comma 0 with the total amount of champagne cake. The entire amount of liquid is poured into the first cup. This because what we'll do is that when we'll process it, we'll keep only the capacity of the glass in the cup or in the glass. The rest, all the liquid will be poured down, and the same process will repeat again for the below glasses. Now see, we have a double for loop, nested for loop. Uh, so what we do here, for each glass in the current row, check if it has more than 1 cup of champagne. Here we check if a glass has more than the capacity of the liquid. What we do is that we calculate the spare. Spare is calculated by subtracting the amount of the liquid that the glass can hold, that is 1. Now the spare is divided into 2, and it is put into the two glasses just below it. The the current glass holds 1, and the left below and the right below holds the spare extra. Now what we'll do is that if we get R comma C, we'll have the result in DP of R comma C, so we'll keep the result in DP of R comma C, and we will check, like, if the result, if it is greater than 1. Since the glass has a capacity of 1, it cannot store the amount more than 1. So if the result gives that we have more amount of liquid, we still need to return only 1. And that's why we have put this condition that return mat.min result comma 1. That's one. So let me run this. Oh, it is running fine. Submissions. Mm, 98%, 81%. This is good. This good, yeah. So coming to the time complexity. Time complexity is r raised to the power 2, where r is the number of row number we want to reach. We iterate through each row and iterate through the classes in that row. The space complexity is also r square. Uh, both these complexity are r square because the r is the number of rows, and in the worst case, each row can have maximum r classes. That's why it is r into r. So if we talk about the conclusion in the solution is that each class can have maximum 1 cup of champagne, so we distribute the excess champagne to adjacent classes as evenly as possible. This approach ensures an efficient simulation of the pouring process and helps us find the amount of champagne. So yeah, if you like the solution, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my solution. Let's meet tomorrow with another LeetCode daily challenge. Thank you.